Welcome, health enthusiasts and curious minds, to Karina's channel, your go-to place for all things health and wellness. Today we're buzzing about a topic that's as sweet as it is fascinating: honey. This golden nectar is more than just a delightful addition to our teas and toasts. It's a powerhouse of health benefits, a marvel of nature, and a testament to the wonders of the tiny honeybee. So why not hit that subscribe button and join us on this sweet journey? Stay tuned as we dive into the sweet world of honey. So what exactly is honey? You might be surprised. Honey is a sweet, viscous food substance made by honeybees and some other insects. But how is it made? It all starts with bees sipping nectar from flowers. They store this nectar in their honey stomachs, which is different from their regular stomachs. Once their honey stomachs are full, they fly back to the hive where they regurgitate the nectar into the mouth of a house bee. This bee then chews the nectar for about half an hour. During this time, enzymes in the bee's saliva break down the complex sugars in the nectar into simple sugars. This makes the nectar less likely to be attacked by bacteria. The bees then spread the nectar throughout the honeycombs where water evaporates from it, resulting in a thick syrup, the honey we know and love. The process of making honey is truly a wonder of nature. Now let's delve into the nitty-gritty. What is honey made of? At first glance, honey might seem like a straightforward substance. It's sweet, it's sticky, and it's delicious. But behind this deceptively simple facade lies a rich and complex composition. Honey, my friends, is a bit of a science marvel. The primary ingredients of honey are natural sugars, predominantly fructose and glucose. These sugars account for about 70 to 80% of honey's content, and they're the reason for its sweet taste. But the story doesn't end there. Honey also contains a modest amount of water, about 17 to 20%. Then there are trace amounts of minerals like calcium, iron and potassium, and vitamins such as vitamin B6, thiamine and niacin. What's more, honey is home to a variety of enzymes. These enzymes, introduced by bees during the honey-making process, play a crucial role in breaking down the sugars. Despite its simple appearance, honey has a complex and nutritious composition. We've all heard that honey is good for us, but what exactly are its benefits? Well, let's dive right in and find out. First off, honey is packed with antioxidants. These are compounds that help fight off harmful free radicals in the body, reducing oxidative stress and inflammation. Some types of honey have as many antioxidants as fruits and vegetables. That's a sweet way to keep your body healthy. Now, let's talk about one of the most well-known benefits of honey: its ability to soothe a sore throat and calm a cough. The World Health Organization even recommends honey as a natural cough remedy. It coats the throat and reduces irritation, providing you with much-needed relief. But the benefits of honey don't stop there. It's also a fantastic natural energy source. Honey is a powerhouse of easily digestible natural sugars and carbohydrates. So the next time you need a quick energy boost, why not reach for a spoonful of honey instead of a sugary snack? And who knew that honey could also help you sleep better? It promotes the release of the sleep hormone, melatonin, in your body, helping you drift off into a peaceful slumber. But wait, there's more. Honey is also great for your skin. It's moisturizing, antibacterial, and can help with wound healing. That's why you'll often find it in natural skincare products. And if you're worried about your waistline, you'll be pleased to know that honey can also help with weight management. It's a healthier alternative to refined sugar and can help control cravings. Last but not least, honey is great for your gut. It's a potent prebiotic, meaning it nourishes the good bacteria in your gut. A healthy gut helps with everything from digestion to mental health. Clearly, honey is more than just a sweet treat. It's a versatile natural substance with a multitude of health benefits. So the next time you're reaching for a sweetener, why not make it honey? Did you know there are different types of honey? And what about its shelf life? Honey, a sweet, viscous food substance produced by bees, comes in a variety of forms. Each type of honey has its unique properties, largely determined by the nectar source the bees have foraged from. Clover honey, for instance, is light and mildly sweet, making it a versatile choice for many culinary applications. Manuka honey, on the other hand, hails from New Zealand and is renowned for its potent antibacterial properties. Buckwheat honey, darker and richer, is often hailed for its robust flavor and antioxidant richness. But it's not just about taste and health benefits. Honey's color, aroma, and texture can also vary dramatically, from the light, floral orange blossom honey to the dark, malty buckwheat variety. This diversity is part of what makes honey such a fascinating and delightful food. Now let's talk about shelf life. One of the most remarkable things about honey is that it doesn't expire. Yes, you heard it right. Thanks to its low moisture content and acidic pH, honey can remain stable for centuries, if not indefinitely. However, it may crystallize over time, which changes its color and texture, but not its safety or nutritional value. Simply warming the honey can return it to its liquid state. So whether you prefer clover, manuka, or buckwheat honey, you can rest assured it will last. We've learned a lot about honey today, haven't we? From its intricate creation by our tireless bee friends, to its complex composition of sugars, enzymes, minerals, vitamins, and amino acids. We've discovered that honey isn't just a sweet treat, but a powerhouse of health benefits. It's a natural antioxidant, a wound healer, a cough suppressant, and a nourishing food that's been cherished for thousands of years. We've also explored the various types of honey, each with its unique flavor profile and properties. And remember, honey doesn't expire. It's a timeless gift from nature that can be enjoyed indefinitely if stored properly. So whether you're stirring it into your morning tea, slathering it on a warm biscuit, or using it in your skincare routine, remember, honey is more than just a sweetener. It's a gift of nature, filled with goodness. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Karina's channel for more enlightening content. Until next time, stay healthy and keep exploring.